Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on Apple Watch 11. To do it, you should go to the Watch app on your iPhone, and then go to Face Gallery, and then go to Photos. And now you can select which type of the clock you like first. So I think I'll select this one with the vertical clock on the right side with like this transparent thing. But you can still see like there's still some things that I can change here. I'm gonna leave it on X large, but of course you can change it. Now I'll click on add to add photos. Okay, sorry, I need to first go to either shuffle, so it'll automatically choose my photos, but I'm gonna go to choose photos and select my own photos. So maybe let's select this one. I think it's a really good one. Let's approve it, and now of course we can change the clock style. We can add more photos up to 24, so it'll switch between them automatically. And now if you want, you can click on add and it will be applied. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.